Okay. So see how long it is.
Very, very long.
Very, very long. So the column is trying to fill everything. Okay. So
Because of the
column.
using the another way to do it.
So we are going to fix that one.
Oh, okay.
So we are going to the column has a property called the main access size. And when I have told you, whenever it is main axis or main, when it is column, the main is talking about the vertical.
The vertical.
Okay. So main axis. So you're going to take out the vertical size. So you're going to say minimum. So whenever it is minimum, it is limited to the number of items within the children.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So we have to rebuild. Okay. So we are seeing it this way.